Hello viewers, this is a Holmes window fan, model HAWF2041. And you may recall this fan from prior videos. I did in fact have one not too long ago. I got it used. I ended up giving it to my grandfather because he really liked it, but I really liked it too, so I figured I'll get myself another one. And this is a good opportunity to do a review now, because I don't know if the one I had is current version or not. But anyways, this is the current version, and it's a pretty good fan. They actually have a 3-year warranty, which is pretty rare in today's world. Even to get a 3-year warranty on a major appliance that's expensive, let alone a $40 fan. So that's good. You can see here that it is from the infamous Jardin Corporation. So they claim, let's see what kind of claims it makes in the box. We have the infamous cost less than an air conditioner claim, and that I do believe. Of course there's the asterisks or whatever they are for the claims. Electrically reversible airflow, which I do like having the independent reverse controls, because if you only have one window in a room and you have the door closed, you have one fan on in, one fan on out, and it works great. Thermostat, which I like because on the cold nights, like last night, it was dropped down to 50 degrees. Set the thermostat, go to sleep, and the fan cuts off before it gets too cold. And 3 speeds. Let's see if there's anything of interest on the sides. Looks to be the same things. Fits virtually all windows. Well, we don't live in virtually, we live in real, so that's not very helpful. And actually, I would say this one probably doesn't fit a lot of windows because it's very wide. This won't fit in my bathroom window. My bathroom window is quite big. Could fit a box fan in there. Looks like it has the same claims on this side. Alright, well I think that's all there is to see on the box, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Actually, just for a size comparison here. Here's a run-of-the-mill 20-inch box fan. So you can see that it is it's a big fan. Well, I thought the one that I got and used was missing an extender. Inherently, it only comes with one extension. This is good packaging. This is recyclable. So is this. There is a knot tied in plastic. It feels just as heavy as the old one did, so hopefully it is the same thing. It does appear to have the nice motors still. Yep, looks like it's exactly the same thing. Cord is taped down here. Explains where the tape came from. I recall seeing some tape just like this on the other unit, and I didn't know what it was for. There we go. Tie wrap. kind of falling apart. I'll have to fix that. 3-year warranty, Sunbeam products. Here's the manual. I don't think there's any interesting English in there, so we're not going to spend any time on that. I'll put the extension on. This is probably going to drive some people nuts. It's going to drive me nuts, but for the video, I'll set it upside down so it freestands on the table. Okay. And I'll plug it in here. Okay. And let's start it up. Serve off on low. The thermostat is satisfied, so we'll turn this up. Okay, do we have a defect here? No, the switch was just not in a position. We're okay. Okay, we'll go up to medium. And full power. Yeah, that feels comparable to the other one. See how the spin down time is. Surprisingly good. These had pretty good motors in them. These are, I forget what the make is, but they're good quality. They're actually PSC motors, I believe. Okay, now we're on exhaust. It's working. Going on to medium. Low. And let's see if we can get it to work in the other direction. Or, I mean, not independently, rather. So now we have one blowing in and one going out, which is very useful in a lot of cases. Well, that's good. That seems to be working. And it appears, as far as I can tell, to be identical to the other one that I had. So that's good. I'll use this for a little while, make sure it's working good, and then we'll do a review on this.